Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing good. In this video, we will talk about hair spa treatment which you can easily do at home with simple ingredients. So, the first ingredient that is required is rice. Rice can add so much nutrition value to your hair, especially it is having vitamin E that make your hair smooth, shiny. It increase the volume and promote the elasticity of your hair. Boil 1 glass of water and add 1 tablespoon of rice flour in it. This creamy mixture will stop your hair from breaking off. You can cool down and add it in a bottle, and rest of the ingredients will be added one by one. The second ingredient include egg. Eggs act as a natural conditioner. It contains biotin and folate that add shine and promotes the healthy growth of your hair. The third ingredient which is required is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps in repairing the split ends. It moisturizes your hair and reduce the breakage. It also protects them from damage and protein loss. This will also protect your scalp from different kind of infections. The last ingredient that is required is yogurt or curd. Yogurt unclog hair follicles, repair the damage and also make your hair roots stronger. Also provide shine and strength to your hair follicles. Recipe is so simple. What you need to do is you have to add one whole egg in 1 tablespoon of the curd and add 1 to 2 tablespoon of the coconut oil. Add this whole mixture in the cream slurry which you have prepared from the rice flour. Apply it on your hair. Leave on at least for 2 hours, and after that you have to gently wash the hair with your shampoo. For getting good results, at least apply it twice in a week. I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much and subscribe to this channel for watching more such videos. Stay connected.